to go to our channel. Go to our channel. Go to our channel. Today, this video is going to be about us, to the movie Cutie, preparing for the snowstorm. So let's go. So I got one up, which is freeze-dried candy from the YouTuber Faye's vlog. I'm gonna get these. We are at Target. Just bought this Minecraft Lego creeper with the tent and the pig. We got this Lego marble. Okay, guys, now we have to go get boots. We're going to DSW. Our last stop for the boots until I guess I'm just gonna have to with Kobe's outside tomorrow. I got the Jockeys. I forgot the colorway, but I like the colorway, and I just got these instead of boots. Yep, I love these.
All right.
Okay, guys, I just got some new sneakers. These are fire Nike, and it even has the bear and the marble. It's so pretty, and I even got free stickers. Hey guys, we just got our sneakers. We didn't get his boots, but we both got our sneakers. Yeah, so we hope you guys have a great day and a great snow. Be safe. We're finished the final product of our Lego sets that we got. This is the final products of our Lego sets. This is the final product of the group. Final product of the Minecraft Lego Creeper. He has a jumpsuit on and he's looking fresh. Hey guys, so this is the final product of the Lego Minecraft Creeper. I like it because the details on this is spot on, and even when you go inside the head, there's this. A pig and a TNT block also.
Can I see? Shout out to Cutie for picking out this set. She started it, but Naya finished it, right?
Because Nyla was getting sick.
Love you, Cutie.
Love you.